Hey everyone, it's Karen, and are you tired of not having enough money every month, not having enough time to spend with your family, and hating your job, or tired of trying everything online and not making a dime? Well then this video is for you. It doesn't matter if you had experience before or never had success before. This can work for you just like it has for other people just like yourself. I have a friend who made $70,000 a month with affiliate marketing with this method, and a large part of his success is from the traffic that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I'm going to walk you through step by step products that you can promote and exactly how to make those commissions. And the best part is it's completely free. But make sure you stick around until the end, because the traffic source that I'm going to be sharing with you can get you hundreds and thousands of targeted visitors to your affiliate links. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first thing you want to do is sign up for an affiliate network, which is free to do. Here's some that you can choose from: ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, CJ Affiliate, and Digistore24. But for this example, we're going to use Digistore24 because this works worldwide. So you just want to go here, click on Register Now, and create a free account. I get paid via direct deposit into my business account. So besides a US bank transfer, you can also get paid via PayPal and international bank transfer. You get paid on the 7th and the 21st of the month, and the minimum payout is $50. Make sure you get this set up right away so you can get paid. So after you get your account set up, we're going to decide on a niche and a product. And of course, the most profitable niches are the areas people have the most problems in, which are health, wealth, and relationships. In this example, we're going to be talking about personal development because this is a very profitable niche. So we're going to go to the marketplace and go under spirituality and esoterics. And then we'll scroll down. This is on the second page, the one that I picked, which is called the winning mindset. And I saw the sales page. You can click on it right here and check it out. But I thought it was very good, and the price is $79.99, and you would earn 50% commission, so around $40 a sale. I wanted to keep the price below $100 because people can generally make a decision to buy something on impulse if it's not too much. And you can see the affiliates earned $100,000 last month. So this looks like a really good product in the personal development niche. The next thing we want to do is get our affiliate link. And you're just going to get your link right here. And of course, when someone purchases through this link, it'll be linked back to you and you'll earn a commission. Keep listening because the traffic source I'm going to share with you is so powerful, and you can get thousands of visits to your link for free. With that being said, of course we want to make money, but if you shift your mindset into how can I provide value rather than how can I get people to buy from me, the sales will come more naturally because you won't be in that desperation mindset. I remember one of my mentors when I was starting back on YouTube and wasn't getting sales said to focus on trusting the process and provide value, and the sales will come. So it took the pressure off, just focusing on creating valuable content, and then he was right, the sales did come, and I've been amazed at how many sales and the amount of sales that I've made. So just keep putting out valuable content and trusting this process works, which it has for many people, and it can for you as well. I know people who are making $10,000 a month with this method. The next thing you want to do is cloak your link so it won't be that long, ugly link. You can use Bitly or Linktree. And here's what Linktree looks like. You have one URL that goes to several different links. Oh, and by the way, speaking of making money online, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you like. In my personal opinion, if you give people too many choices of what to click on, though, they may not take action. I use ClickMagick, and let me show you how this works. It is paid, but it's easy to change out the links, and you can get a domain that makes it look very professional. For example, this is the link I have in all my YouTube videos, and I have over 900 videos. So when I want to change what the link points to, I just go ahead and change this primary URL, and just like that, the capture page to all my videos is automatically changed, and I can change it to whatever I want. One of my mentors said a company he was promoting went out of business. So he changed the link in all of his videos, like I showed you, to another company, and overnight he became one of the top earners in the new company, and that's by leveraging the audience he already had built and being able to change where he directed people very easily, and he did use ClickMagick. Okay, so now that we have our product and link, how are we going to get traffic to it? TikTok. Why TikTok? There are over 689 million users, and you have the ability to build an audience very quickly. I had one of my videos go viral within the first week. Now, of course, this doesn't always happen, but it's amazing how many people can see your content and look at your profile every day. Let me show you some of my TikTok analytics. Oh, and by the way, I do have a link below on how to create a clickable link before 1,000 followers. Just check that out in the description. But let's take a look at my analytics. Now, I haven't been posting for a while consistently because of my schedule and moving again, but see how many people have viewed my profile. Let's go back the last 60 days. And I wish I could go back earlier when I first started because my second video went viral and I got so many profile views. But you can see in the last 60 days, thousands of people have viewed my profile. And again, I have not been consistent at all. I have a lot of friends who are consistent posting every day or several times a week and have a lot more visitors to their links. But you can see how many shares, and it's just very powerful to get a lot of people to view your profile, and you'll have your affiliate link in your profile. So the potential to reach people who are interested in personal development on TikTok is huge. The next step is to create videos of value. In the beginning, when you're just getting started, I recommend posting daily, and if you can, 2 to 3 times a day. And these aren't going to be videos that you have to show your face. Let me give you an example of the kind of channel you can make where you can get in front of people who love personal development. You can create an affirmation channel like this one. It's called Mastering Affirmations. You can see they have a video and they have affirmations on top of the video. So where can you get videos to download and then upload to TikTok? You can go to pexels.com, just click on videos, and I would search something like luxury. And these videos are free to download, and you can see they're not very long, so these would fit perfectly on TikTok, where you can't have videos longer than 60 seconds. And another place you can go to is pixabay.com to get some videos. And then after you upload the video to the app, you can add the text. Really simple to do. You can also do this for the health niche with a product like Cinderella Solution or this keto product. Then you could create a channel around keto recipes like this channel here, Kate Higdon. And you wouldn't have to show your face, just recipes for keto. Or you could sell a woodworking product like Ted's Woodworking. This does happen to be on ClickBank. And have a channel like this, Woodworking is Fun. And you can see they have a link. This goes to Ted's Woodworking. And you can see they have a lot of followers and their videos do get a lot of views. You can either upload from your computer, but I find that using the app is better as far as being able to edit the video. I did find to get the video on your camera roll so you can add it to your app. You can add it to your Google Drive and then to your camera roll, but this can be a little tricky, so let me walk you through it. After you find the video on your Google App Drive, then you click on the 3 dots on the upper right hand corner and then click on Send a Copy and then Save Video. Then it'll be saved to your camera roll and you can upload it there, and you can upload it from the app to your phone. Then you can save it in a draft so you can have a lot of videos ready to post daily or 2 to 3 times a day, and maybe have all of them done in a weekend. Also, by uploading from your app, you can also add the hashtags, and it's super important to use hashtags that don't have a lot of searches in the beginning so your videos will be found. For example, 10,000 to 100,000 searches. Otherwise, your videos won't get found and you won't have that many views. And then, of course, you're going to have a call to action to click on the link in your bio. So at the end of your video, you'll have some sort of call to action. And to be more advanced, I would recommend having a lead capture page and follow-up messages, not just sending them straight to a sales page. I do have a video on GetResponse on how to create a lead capture page inside of that. So if you're on a tight budget, this is $15 a month to be able to create lead capture pages and have follow-up messages in an autoresponder. So I will link that in the description below this video. Okay, in order to find content, what you're going to do is go to the search at the bottom of the app and search keywords of 3 different things. Who it is you want to reach, for example, stay-at-home moms, entrepreneurs, also what you're talking about in the video, and then what you call yourself, like a network marketer or what your niche is. Then you're going to look at the top 10 videos for those keywords and look for patterns of why they're ranking like they are, like how they film, the music, just anything about the video. Just look for patterns of ways that you can do a video that's similar but in your own style. And then you're going to look at the hashtags for those keywords. So once you look at those 10 videos, on the very top right-hand corner of the app, you'll see hashtags. And you're going to look at the hashtags that come up for those keywords, but you want to pick the ones that have 5 and 6 figures of search results. You don't want to pick the ones that have millions, because you're not going to be found. And the person that I learned this from, who again makes a lot of money on TikTok, said that when people come to her and ask her, why is my TikTok channel not growing, that's the most likely thing to be wrong. And she'll look at their hashtags and tell them that they're using hashtags with too many searches. So you have to start small to get big, to be found. And people, again, make that mistake too often, that they use hashtags that have too many searches. And another huge tip is, after posting your video, go to the For You page and like and comment on 5 to 10 videos that you like, and then close out the app. And the person I learned this from, she said, I don't know why this works, but it does. So just post your video, do that, close out the app, and don't worry about it. She said the times that she looks at her video, refreshes, that's when her videos don't do well. But when she does this, her videos tend to go viral. So make sure you follow this tip. So if you're already on TikTok, make sure you post your TikTok handle in the comments below so we can take a look at your channel. And if I've inspired you to get started on TikTok, go ahead and comment down below that as well. And if you like this video, I think you'll like this video coming up. How to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing, a step-by-step tutorial. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.